Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we will teach you step by step how you can make a photo or image into a circle in your PowerPoint presentations without any advanced technical skills. It is very simple guys, so let us guide you through this. Start by adding your photo or image to your presentation. Let me just recite that example image here. So that's basically it guys. What you want to do after that is select the given photo or image and head over to picture format here at the top. And here on the right hand side under size, simply select crop and start cropping your image by left clicking and holding one of these corners or edges, these black ones for example. So let me crop that image just like that here for example, just like that. So to leave that aerial view, that area here, press enter to confirm these changes, and that's basically it. So let me move that image here to the top right corner. And in the next step guys, add a circle shape to your slide. You may do that by heading over to insert here at the top, by selecting shapes under illustrations here, and by choosing an oval here, an oval shape. And after that, left click to add the given circle, while holding left shift to stabilize it and to make it a perfect circle. Let it have the same or roughly the same size as my image. And last but not least guys, what you want to do, let me just resize it even more, is move it on top of your image just like that, or photo. Release your left mouse, and what you want to do after that guys is select your photo in the background, right click on it and select cut. And in the next step guys, select your circle, right click on it, select format shape from the drop down menu, and here to the right you will see that panel popping up. So what you want to do here guys, under fill and line, is expand fill if you haven't done that yet, and select picture or texture fill here. And last but not least, under picture source below, select clipboard, and that is going to make your photo or image, now cropped, fit into your circle. And that's how I do it guys. You may for example rotate it or resize it and so on and so forth. So that's how I do it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.